The energy in our body responds instantaneously to our attitudes and thoughts. When we're angry, worried, or sad, this energy moves in a contracting way, restricting flow and inhibiting the regular functions of the body. Over time, your muscles and organs can't do their jobs properly. Wounds won't heal, and pain and symptoms start to appear. Healing is a beautiful gift you can give yourself and the people you care about. If you want to develop your understanding of energy, health, and healing, then you'll want to attend the AcuEnergetics Skills for Living workshop. This weekend course is an eye-opening experience teaching you how to increase your awareness and sensitivity to energy. Through ancient meditations and specific energetic techniques, you will discover experientially a fresh approach to all aspects of your life, learning skills to open your heart and to increase love, joy, and energy in your life. Click the link below to book now or visit our website for more information.